money affirmations that allow you to attract more abundance and more money into your life easily and effortlessly with more flow. Now, these affirmations are going to really be specific to spiritual teachers and health and wellness coaches. So if that is you, and if you want to attract more money into your life, and if you want to begin using affirmations that really work, then I encourage you to watch this video all the way through, because that's exactly what you're going to get. You're going to get affirmations that really work. But before we get into the content, I want you to pause and I want you to comment down below the words, "I am worthy of success," because step one in attracting more money and more abundance into your life is you have to believe you are worthy of success. So claim that right now by commenting down below, "I am worthy of success." Now, one of the biggest mistakes people make when they try to integrate affirmations into their life is twofold. They focus too heavily on the words, and they focus too heavily on the images they associate with the words, okay? Now, the reason this inhibits your attraction of more money and more abundance is because words are inherently meaningless, and there is no frequency or vibration that words are inherently holding, right? So if we just think thoughts and we just say things, but there's no energy, there's no emotion that we associate with them, they'll have no impact on our reality. So what we must do, and this is going to be so important when it comes to making these affirmations work, is we have to feel the emotional state that we associate with the end result of having the money and the abundance in our life. Okay? We can't just think I am wealthy, I am wealthy, I am wealthy, and feel scarce and broke and expect our reality to change. We think I am wealthy and we feel wealthy, which puts us in that vibration, in that frequency, and the law of attraction just naturally brings similar frequencies and vibrations into our life. Okay? Regardless of our thoughts don't mean anything. Too many people in this spiritual community give too much power to our thoughts. Don't worry about your thoughts. Just let the mind think thoughts, because that's what the mind does. It just thinks thoughts. Don't give it power. Give your emotions and your feelings state all the power, because that is what is creating your experience. It's your emotions. So it's so important that we get crystal clear on the emotional state we associate with the end result. Because when you incorporate these affirmations that I'm about to share with you, you have to feel that feeling state right now before anything else changes, okay? And the second mistake people make is they give too much power to the images, okay? Don't worry about the images. The way the money and the abundance is going to flow into your life, like we can't even picture it. Like, it's probably going to happen in a way that we can't even imagine right now. So all that matters is you feel the feeling state, and the money is going to flow, and it's going to come in different ways that we can't even expect right now. It might come exactly how you visualize, and that's cool, but it might not. So don't give any power to the vision. Just give all the power to the feeling state, okay? Another thing I wanted to talk about for spiritual teachers and health and wellness coaches, there seems to be this weird resistance in asking and demanding a lot of money for your services, okay? And we think that it's going to turn people off, or it's not spiritual to be wealthy or to ask for a lot of money. And all I want to say there is, when you're helping somebody for free, you're doing them a disservice. Okay, because they have no skin in the game. They're not fully committed. When somebody has skin in the game, they pay attention. As they say, people who pay attention. To use an analogy of why it's important for you to demand high prices for your services is, imagine somebody just handed you a Ferrari, okay? And this is just a silly example. If you don't like cars, just kind of dance with me. You can use an example of whatever you really cherish and value. Imagine somebody handed you a Ferrari. It's going to be cool at first, but you're not going to really value it. But imagine you worked really hard and you bought that Ferrari yourself. You are going to love it. you're going to really value it. You're really going to take care of it. The same thing is true when you ask for a lot of money for your services. People begin to listen and adhere to your guidance. So if you're struggling with why people aren't adhering to your guidance, boost up your prices and you're going to notice people will begin to pay attention, okay? So to turn this into something really actionable here, step one, identify exactly what you want in your life in regards to money and abundance. How much money do you want to be making every single month? Get clear with that, okay? Step two, identify the feeling state you associate with achieving that goal. So let's say you manifested let's say you want to make $10,000 per month. Let's say you did that. How are you going to feel? And just journal to that question. So again, step one, identify what you want. Step two, identify the feeling state you associate with the end result. Step three is occupy the state of your wish fulfilled, as Neville Goddard would say. And what I want to encourage you to do is use the app Think Up. Think Up, it's a free app that loops affirmations over and over again so you can have them in the background while you're cooking, while you're lying down and relaxing, while you're working out, while you're walking, okay? And the affirmation that changed the game for me is something I've remixed from Brian Scott, okay? This is the affirmation that totally changed everything for me. And once I started to use this, I went from literally making no money online as a coach to making $10,000, $15,000, $30,000 a month, okay? This is what I wrote. Large sums of money consistently flow to me and I attract clients with ease. Large sums of money consistently flow to me and I attract clients with ease. And I would listen to this over and over again and I would feel the emotional state that I associate with having that as my experience, and I would just occupy that state. Now, my current reality did not reflect that yet, but I didn't give that any power. I just felt the way that I wanted to feel, and eventually things started to change. So I encourage you to not give power to external circumstances, to turn your head to it and feel the way you want to feel, and eventually life will reflect back to you how you feel on the inside. That's it for today's video. I hope it was valuable to you. If you enjoyed it, comment down below. Let us know your thoughts. Comment down below. I am committed to greatness. Please subscribe to the channel and share this video with somebody who you feel like will benefit from it. Thank you so much. My name is Drew Diorsi, and I will talk to you later. Bye.